Hey folks, we're going to go ahead and look at old G67 1.48, 1.58, 2. This is the second page of the assignment, so we're starting on 17. Let's see. Well, first of all, we got a double shot here, so now we have 11, negative 11 plus 14. Well, that's going to end up being a negative 3. Sorry, it's a positive 3. And we're going to add 7 to that. That's going to equal 10. Notice how I just did the order of operations here? Did these two guys first. Negative 11 and 14 because of the double shot. There's my positive 3 plus 7, 10. Do the same thing as I work through these. Well, these two here, 7 plus a negative 1, that's like 7 minus 1. That's going to be 6 plus 12 minus 7. This is going to be 18 minus 7. This is going to be 11. This is going to be a negative 1 plus a negative 5 minus a minus 2. Well, we'll go ahead and do this first. This is going to be a negative 6 minus a minus 2. Those can be double shotted. This is really negative 4. This is going to be negative 3 plus 5. That's going to be 2 plus a negative 5 plus 12. Do these next. That's going to be a negative 3 plus 12. These are different signs. The difference is 9, and it's going to be positive. This is going to be negative 19 plus 1 minus a minus 6. Do this next. This is going to be minus 18 minus a minus 6. These are double shotted. This is going to, these now different signs. The difference is 12, and it's negative. Alrighty, let's take a look here. This is a double shot. Now you've got 20 minus 7 minus 5. This is 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8, and it's positive. Okay, I think you can work through some of those by yourselves. Going on down, yeah, there's decimals. Quick review on the decimals one. 6 minus 3.8. Well, this is really 6.00 minus 3.98. And then you can just do your trades as you normally do. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. Put your decimal in. 6 minus 3 is 3. And it's positive. So you can line up your decimals like that. Don't forget you can add zeros like I did to the 6 if you need be. Let's jump down to something a little more interesting down here at the bottom. Now, all of a sudden, we're jumping ahead a couple lessons here, and we're looking at how would you do this if you're going to do this with fractions? Well, the first thing you have to do is get a common denominator. So for these two fractions, I can rename those with the denominator of 10. So I'd have to take this one times 5 on the bottom to get to 10. So the top is, this is going to be a negative 15 tenths. And over here, I'd have to take this times 8. Sorry, this times 2 to get to 10. So I've got to take that 8 times 2 as well. So instead of 8 fifths, we've got 16 tenths. Now let's look at these. What are we really doing here? Are we really adding them? It says add. No, we're not really adding them because we have a negative and we've got a positive. So we're finding the difference. And the difference between these two, 16 minus 15 is 1/10. Now we just got to determine, is that 1/10 positive or negative? Well, the 16 has the greatest absolute value, and it's different signs. Find the difference. Keep the sign of the value with the largest absolute value, and that's 16. So this becomes a positive. I'll do one more here. Well, this is an easy one. We can rename this guy right off the bat 2/4, and we can save ourselves some time. However, it is a minus 2/4. So let's double shot. Now, are we really subtracting? No. What we're really doing here is we're adding. So we can add the 7 and 2, we'll get 9/4. Now that's really 9 divided by 4. We can think about it this way. We put in there 2 times is 8. You got 1 left over. Here's your answer. It's 2 wholes and 1/4. 2 1/4. Slide that over so you can see that. little division thing. All right, I'll leave you a couple of those problems to try as well. All right, good luck completing the sheet. Thanks for listening.